Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Boston's Crypto. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys an update about this website which I discussed in my previous video, Doge mining paid. Okay, many people have been skeptical about it. They are asking me questions regarding the site, so I'll be discussing in details more about the site. Okay, when we come down to the site, let's read more about this company. Say Doge minting industry is one of the most important components of future economy. Doge mining paid is one of the popular Doge mining hash powered providers in the world, offering DogeCoin mining in every region. For newcomers, interested small investors as well as large-scale investors, our mission is to make acquiring DogeCoin easy and fast for everyone. We provide a DogeCoin mining cloud mining service using the latest technology without any deposit fees. The ultimate goal of our existence is to make DogeCoin mining an easy, smart and rewarding experience for all. Our services already attract more than 255 promote leaders around the world, and we will expand to worldwide. We'll be happy to serve you as well. You can deposit Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dash, Ethereum, Perfect Money to mine Dogecoin. Doge mining paid focuses on Dogecoin mining, and we will believe that Dogecoin will be a major part of the world in the future. Let's see what kind of company is DogeMiningPay.com. Start mining Dogecoin, become Doge mining millionaire. First of all is the following: 6 years of experience mining cryptocurrency, more than 100,000 mining equipment are operating stably, mined more than 10 billion Dogecoins, more than 58 employees and 7 mining experts, maintain stable operation of mining equipment in 24/7, 3 professional trades to help Dogecoin assets grow steadily. Doge mining paid has more than 2 billion in assets which can help Doge mining expand to the world. As you can see, here are the figures and the facts about the site. So let's go down, let's scroll a bit down, let's see, read more about what it represents us. Company advantage: guarantee return on investment, easy to use, Dogecoin distribution mining farm, and daily Dogecoin output. Okay, when you come down here, you can read all this and get more information about it. And here the affiliate program is: in addition to direct investment, we offer our partners a referral program that foresees a reward for each partner. Earn 5% earning from your referrals. So you can make money from mining, you can also make money from referral programs, but it's not necessary, it's not compulsory that you refer before you can start earning, but referring other people is an added advantage for you. Okay, so let's sign in and let's see how the site is. Okay, but before let's read, you can come here, you can see international Dogecoin mining holding. Doge mining paid, start mining Dogecoin, become Dogecoin millionaire. So now that let me log in to see the dashboard. Okay, see motor boss. Okay, I welcome. Okay, now here is my dashboard. As you can see, currently I have 10.88 Dogecoin balance that I can withdraw. Okay, I will be withdrawing this so you will see that it really pays. And here is my mining hash 1100, because I took this plan. Okay, I'm going there. I'm going to the plant. Let's see their buying plan. here I'll be using this, I'll be earning this amount every day, which costs me 100 DogeCoin. Okay, and the next plan is, which I'll be operating very soon, is 21.50 DogeCoin daily, which will cost me 500 DogeCoin. But that is my target now. Okay, so I'm making a live withdrawal, so you see that this site really pays. Click on withdraw. It will take you down to this page. Now I'm having 10.88 Doge, which I will type it right down here. 10.88. Okay, now click on request. Wait for it. Network is a bit okay. Now you can see now it says you are withdrawing 10.88 DogeCoin. We have no fee for this operation. Actually, you will require the total of 10.88 on your DogeCoin account. Okay, now I'll just click on confirm. Now click on confirm. Let's wait for it. Okay, now as you can see, my phone, your phone, as you have no phone, meaning it has been sent to my wallet. Currently you can see my balance is 0. And if you go to my dashboard, you see that my withdrawal is 0 and my current withdrawals total is 163.25. Before it was 153. So now let me go to my wallet account to confirm the payment. I'm using Konami. Okay, you can use any wallet of your choice. Click on Doge. As you can see, receive with. You see it is still highlighted, meaning it is still waiting for confirmation. Once it is confirmed, it will be dark like all these ones here. And you can see I've been receiving payment from this site for the past few days now. You can see yesterday was $4.46, previous day was $2.323, and you can see I'll be receiving 2.34 points like that every day. Okay, I'll be doing that every day. As you can see, okay, wait for it. It's almost complete. You can see this bar here. It's almost completed. Once it's completed, the bar will disappear. Let's wait for it. Let me pause the video and come back. Now you can see that my payment receipt is completed. The bar has disappeared. Now I'm having $2.23 in my account. So you can see the site is really paying. So if you really want to start making money right from this site, go for any of the plan of your choice. But know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Just okay, this is for educational purpose. If you feel you want to invest in this and you feel this is what suits you, please do and invest. Okay, please do that at your own risk. Okay, I'm not advising you, I'm only telling you what is working for me. If I go back to my earnings history, let's see how my earnings history looks like. As you can see, I'll be withdrawing from this site all day long. Let me zoom in more so that you'll be able to see it. See, 10.88, 10.83. This is my think this is my favorite. This is another 21.76, 10.83. Okay, my referral commission. These are my referral commissions. Okay, referral commission. So as you can see, I'll be withdrawing from this site. I've deposited twice and I've withdrawn several times. Okay, so this site really pays. It really pays. It's up to you guys to, if you are comfortable making an investment on this site, just choose any of the plans that suits you. Okay, any of the plans you can afford, go for it and start making withdrawals every day like this. Okay, I hope this video help you a lot. If you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe, and share these videos to your friends and family. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day ahead. Stay tuned. Bye for now.